What's up? This is Gold Robotics. Today is still August 27th. Lots of progress today. I came in late, so I didn't get as much progress, and also it's notebook, so it doesn't really like.
It's not good. It's not good for video.
Anyways, we'll start with Reese.
Yeah,
because he's got.
Mine was the least interesting thing that happened today.
No, it's very interesting, Reese.
Well, what Audie and Nathan are doing.
I think
it's really cool.
I think mine is the least interesting.
But anyways,
it's kind of hard to beat notebooking.
Anyways, I started to work on my top intake, the thing that's supposed to rotate around with my turret. I had a general idea. I wanted a doggy door on it to where whenever my turret was facing this way, I could still have a disc coming in from below and get in its position and come back up and go up the thing and then go out to the flywheel. So I built a doggy door. I built this system of 3 flex wheels all chained together. We CNC'd some polycarbonate adapters because we ran out. What else did we do? I had to come up with a cool little triangle for my 50-degree angle that I made with this. That was fun. Took me like an hour. Not really. But what else did I do? That's all I did over here. Just a bunch of prototyping on this top intake, trying to get it to work. It's halfway there. Not quite.
Yeah. Anyways, I also forgot that I did something this week that I forgot to mention. So I showed in a previous video this little jank thing that I made, right? Then I did a couple of like jank things because the whole point was me trying to get traction in that middle wheel, you know, so that we can do that. So the other problem was that these wheels are slightly smaller than these wheels, and I want both of them.
You want all of it touching the ground?
Yeah, I want everything touching the ground, because if not, then I'll either have to offset the bottom one or
run on 2 wheels and not have the desired
it would just be kind of weird. So anyways, I was like, well, how can I make this wheel the size of this wheel? First idea was to wrap rubber bands and something around it, you know, stretch it out with that. However, we do make custom adapters. And I made a custom adapter that stretches this guy out to like a 1/4 inch more or so. And so now it's the same size as
Omni wheel right here.
An Omni wheel. It's the same, or it's slightly bigger actually, which is what we want because this has a little bit more compression.
Yeah, it's also going to be in the middle.
And it's going to be in the middle. But yeah, it made it slightly bigger than a.
You can't tell.
You can't tell.
Okay, hold it right.
Yeah. Slight adjustment. See how it's got like a tiny bit more. You know. Anyways, slightly bigger. Fits. A little jank idea I had, but it works, so it works. Or I don't know if it works. We haven't put it on Drivetrain, but it should work theoretically. Nathan and Audie have made some awesome, cool things today.
Cool things. So, if you would come over here, Mr. Bobbert.
Okay.
As you can see, we have a flywheel. Now, this flex wheel here is 2 flex wheels binded into one using 2.5-inch screws. I know how that sounds.
It works.
But it works very well. And I also added custom inserts, or adapters is what they've been calling them, on the bottom and in the middle. However, on the top I have the regular one to add in a little more weight for the flywheel.
We've spent most of today inventing what we call the dimension motor, which has allowed us to just have one motor directly attached to the flywheel.
What do you get? 360?
Yep.
3,600 RPMs.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
That's nice. But
We've stricken gold.
That's hilarious.
One motor, no gears.
It's nice.
It just works.
That is insanely cool because you don't have to waste energy on friction. Kind of inspired by 408-2B, but we did it our own way. So
Yeah.
That's
all we're gonna say about that.
yeah. Anyways,
It's magic.
yeah, magic. Anyway, see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.